So we're replacing this old thing. As you can tell, that gasket's gone. Hasn't started leaking, but we just wanted to go ahead and show that we're using the Fluidmaster Everything. Came with a handy tool that helped me get the old one out, and now we're putting this in. This one has a nut. Make sure it's on. Okay, back threaded it, now forward thread. Tight. Positioned. Okay. And that's how we do that, is just one nut. Now I have to replace the hose back onto this piece so that it gets water. We have to connect the little hose that goes here. Thank you so much for watching.